Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the crude oil markets. Crude oil currently trading at $69.50 a barrel. I really like this setup here. I think it offers a fantastic selling opportunity. We've seen crude oil recently break out of his range that we'd been trading in, which was between 81 all the way down to $70 a barrel, so a nice $11 range there. And as of recent, we recently broke below it and we went all the way down to $65 a barrel. Now, in the past day or two, we have seen some increases in price here, but this is a typical technical movement. When you break below a area which recently acted as a floor in the market, you typically go to the next target, which in this case was $65 a barrel, and then you go and back test the previous support as the new resistance. And this is typically where you get rejected and prices then move down and break below the prior swing lows, which in this case, of course, was $65. So I am anticipating for a move all the way down to $60 a barrel. I think that any strength should be faded, and it offers a fantastic selling opportunity. Reason being is because we're highly likely to enter into a recession within the next 12 months. And again, this morning we had some more negative news coming out of the UK, where the CPI index come in at around 10.3%, or sorry, actually I think it was around 10.4% versus 9.9% expected. So this has just broken a 3-month downtrend in inflation readings. So this is very bad news, because it now means that the Bank of England, is going to have to become a lot more hawkish in order to combat inflation. And I think it's just a subtle, it's going to allow the Fed and other European central banks, like the ECB, for example, Madame Lagarde, to kind of think, well, hang on a minute, inflation is still here, it's still around. And with that being the case, I am anticipating for, the Fed and the ECB to become a lot more hawkish than what was initially anticipated maybe this time last week. So with that being the case, of course, a more hawkish Fed or more hawkish central banks around the globe, you're just going to spike the chances of any recession. And with that being the case, we are going to see crude oil decline in price. So I like fading the rally here in crude oil. I think it's only a matter of time now until we do trade back down towards $65. And I think that we could even go one further and break back down towards $60 a barrel. I, myself, and my Signal team still do currently hold a trade here in the crude oil market. So if you would like to copy that trade, it's still not too late. I only just opened it last night. And then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.